Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall and reinstall Spotify. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Spotify. Click End Task. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Spotify, click Uninstall. Right-click Start menu, click Run. App data percentage. Click OK. Click File, click Change Folder and Search Options. Click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders or Drives. Click Apply, OK. If any folder name like Spotify, delete that folder. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type local app data percentage. Click OK. If any folder like Spotify, delete that folder. Type Spotify.com in browser search bar. Click Download. Open downloaded file. Log in with existing account or sign up, create new account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.